Hi, welcome to Carepatron. In this demo, I'm going to show you the basics of Carepatron and how to streamline the management of your healthcare practice. To get started, let's go to Settings and set up your services and locations. First, we will set up your locations. Let's click New Location and choose what suits us best from a range of in-person and virtual locations. You can connect with the most common platforms or choose our telehealth video calls. Once your locations are set up, we need to set up your services. You can create a new service, name the service, set a different display name for when clients are booking online, set a duration and a price, or you can even leave those blank if you prefer to. You can assign that service to another team member and also create group events. It's up to you to decide whether that service will be bookable online or if new clients can even book the service themselves or not. You'll also need to add the location in which the service is provided. Once you have your locations and services set up, you can set up your billing if you're going to be processing payments with Carepatron. To set up your billing, go to Settings and then Billing and Payments. When you're in Billing and Payments, you can connect your Stripe account in just a few steps. You can also customize your invoices to reflect your brand. You can customize your calendar view to view on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, and you can add a secondary time zone if you prefer to. You can share your booking link or also add a button to your website or even embed it straight on your website as well. That's as far as the calendar. Next, we're going to go to clients. You can import clients for most common platforms or add new clients manually. Once you've added a client, you can customize the entire record to match your practice. You can also easily add relationships as well as add new notes, send intake forms, upload files, and a lot more. You can see all communications that you've had with your client along with the history of billing and receipts for them as well. If you have other team members that are joining your team, you can easily invite them via Carepatron. Just go to your team and invite a new team member. Once you've added their details, you can go into their record and edit their permissions. You can also view all assigned services and availability as well. Set up your inbox and in-app chat to keep communications with your team and clients seamless. Simply sync your Google or Microsoft account by heading to Inbox, clicking Connect, and logging in. When prompted, grant access, and your Gmail or Microsoft inbox will be synced. To start a chat with team members, go to Inbox. Under Inboxes, select the icon next to Teams or Clients to begin chatting. That's not all. Do you want to see all the billing and payments for your entire customer base? Just go to Billing and Payments and you'll be able to see all of the invoices for your clients and their statuses as well. This way, you can easily track all payments in one place. You can also go and check out our templates. You're going to have a lot of team templates pre-populated. You can go to our community templates to explore all the templates that we have to offer. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the demo, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.